In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix filter gallery not working in Photoshop. If the filter gallery is grayed out or won't open, it usually comes down to a few common settings. We'll walk through 4 quick checks to get it working again, starting with your image mode and bit depth. First, check the image mode. Go to the menu bar, open image, then mode, and make sure both RGB color and 8-bits channel are selected. The filter gallery is designed to run on 8-bit RGB images. Modes like CMYK or lab and higher bit depths, such as 16-bit or 32-bit, will disable many filters entirely. If you see a check mark next to RGB color and 8-bits or channel, you're good here. If not, switch to those options and Photoshop will convert the document so the gallery can run. Next, make sure there's no active selection. An accidental selection can limit where filters apply and in some cases prevent the gallery from opening. Press Ctrl+D on Windows or CMD+D on Mac to deselect. If you had a selection, you'll see the marching ants disappear. Once everything is deselected, try the gallery again. Now check whether your layer is locked. Look over to the layers panel and see if there's a lock icon next to the layer you're working on. Click the lock to unlock it. Filters typically require an editable pixel layer, and a locked background or protected layer can block them from running. Once unlocked, the layer name should no longer show the lock icon. Finally, review your document size. Some filters have hard limits and can't run on extremely large images. Go to Image, then Image Size, and look at the pixel dimensions. If the width or height is extremely large, for example over 30,000 pixels, reduce the size to something more manageable. Lower dimensions make it possible for the filter gallery to process the image. Keep in mind that reducing pixel dimensions decreases detail, so choose a size that balances quality and performance. After these checks, head back to Filter and open the filter gallery. In most cases, it will be available again. If it still isn't, recheck each setting, as a mode, bit depth, selection, lock, or oversized canvas is almost always the cause. That's it. Follow these fixes whenever the filter gallery goes missing and you'll be back to experimenting with artistic effects without interruption.